afternoon, Nakul. How can I help you?
Trigonometry Wikipedia.
Searching in Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, trigonometry, from Greek trigonon, triangle, and metron, measure, is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships between side lengths and angles of triangles. The field emerged in the Hellenistic world during the 3rd century BC from applications of geometry to astronomical studies.
Solve my query.
Please tell me the shape of the object.
Square.
What is the length of the side of the square?
156.
Area of the square is 24336 and the perimeter is 624.
Solve my query.
Please tell me the shape of the object.
Circle.
What is the radius of the circle?
354.
Area of the circle is 393,850.2857142857 and the circumference is 2225.142857142857
Solve.
Please tell me the shape of the object.
Rectangle.
What is the length of the rectangle?
46.
What is the breadth of the rectangle?
23.
Area of the rectangle is 1058 and the perimeter is 92.
Solve my query.
Please tell me the shape of the object.
Triangle.
What is the length of the base of the triangle?
68.
What is the height of the triangle?
71.
Area of the triangle is 2414.0. Assuming that the triangle was right-angled, then the perimeter is 9804.
Visit YouTube. I want to visit a YouTube channel.
Please write the channel name. Do you want to subscribe to TechX Help?
Yes.
I've been trying to call.
ले इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता.
Playing Itni Shakti Haim Dina Data.
Search KVS Jammu.
Searching KVS Jammu on Google.
Exit. Shut down my PC.
Are you sure to shut down your PC?
No. No. Restart my PC.
Are you sure to restart your PC?
No. Open kvsangathan.nic.in.
Opening website kvsangathan.nic.in.
Exit.
Have a nice day, Nakul. Bye bye, see you later.